Hello, good morning everyone. We are David and Carla. Today we are going to do a 50 hours check. So we think it would be interesting to explain what is the appropriate procedure to carry out the lubrication of the landing gear. First of all, we have to open the manual and read the procedure and the material that we need to lubricate the landing gear. Next, we prepare the aerosol fluid 22 in the grass gun, a cleaning paper or a cloth, and a stretcher to lie down. It is for vital importance to use gloves to avoid staining and avoid hurting your hand. Then, once we have the material ready, it's important to clean the landing gear since begin next to the tire it gets very dirty. By doing this, it's easier to locate the points where we'll apply the grease. Then, to make this task, we have to be two people. We will proceed to grease the landing gear. One person attaches the hose in the line with the grease valve on the damper. If it is not aligned correctly, the grease will not seep through the shock absorber. Once we have the hose attached, our workmate must pump the grease nipple. It is pumped until the grease comes out the joints and change the color of the lighter one. Then, repeat the same process on the other grease valve and then clean the landing gear until it comes out completely clean. Finally, when the old grease that was inside the shock absorber is outside, we have to clean it using a clean paper.
In this case, we do not lubricate the main landing gear, because it's a fixed landing gear and does not have a shock absorber. But if the plane has a shock absorber in the rear, we also proceed to lubricate the front axle in the way explained above. At this point, we can collect the material used. It's of due importance that the tools are collected as a precaution and that our workmates do not get badly injured due to our mess. Taking advantage of the fact that we are at this point, we will make a quick check of the wheels. In this case, we will first see that the wheel rubber is not worn out or has any flaws. Next, we also inflate the wheel. You have to prepare a hose that goes from the air intake to the plane. Then, in the manual, we check what pressure the wheels has. Finally, we apply such air pressure is necessary to all the wheels of the plane. We hope you liked the video. We hope you like it and it has helped. In the next video, we will talk about how to mount a propeller and do the appropriate safety braking for this task.